Good morning, children. Today we are going to see new unit 3 measurements. Children, in this class we are going to learn what is mean by volume. Capacity of a container is the utmost quantity of an item the container can hold. So capacity level means that occupied space we have to measure means that is the capacity value. Volume of a solid is the space occupied by the solid. So volume means space occupied value we have to measure means that is the volume. Exercise 3.1 First one, take the object which has more volume. So more volume value, more capacity value we have to find. First one, apple and watermelon. Watermelon is the volume value. Next, one can and a drum. So drum is the big volume. Next, one chair and bench. So occupied spaces bench. Next, one book and bag. So more than value is bag. Pencil and box. Box is the more than volume value. Second sum, arrange the given objects according to their volume. So we have to arrange small volume to big volume. So first one, small occupied space value, yellow color ball. Second one, green ball. Third one, white ball. Fourth one, yellow and blue mingle ball. Second sum, violet color box. Next one, book. Next, yellow color box. Next, brown color box. Third question, first small volume, blue color pillow. Second one, maroon color bed. Third one, brown color bench. Fourth one, sofa. Okay, children, let's see the volume formula. Volume formula, volume is equal to length into breadth into height. Exercise 3.2 First sum, volume of regular solids such as cube and cuboid can be found by multiplying the dimensions. Complete the given table by finding the volume of the given object. Children, in this question, some regular solid shape is given. The shapes are cube and cuboid shape is given. We have to multiply the given shapes values and we have to find the answers and complete the given table by the finding the volume of the given object. Some object is given. First object name is notebook. The shape is rectangular shape. We have to regular shape. We have to say cube or cuboid. So notebook means we have to say the cuboid shape. So in this object, length value is given. L means length, B means breadth, H means height. So length value is given and breadth value is given and height value is given. We have to find the volume of this given value means how to find the value means we have to find the L, breadth value and height value we have to multiply. So the given value, length value, breadth value and height value we have to multiply. First we write 6 into, next value is 15 into 1. This value first we have to multiply. First two number we have to multiply. So 6 into 15 we have to multiply means 15 into 6. Now multiply the value. First we write the table in short way. We have to write 1 6 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 3 6 are 18, 4 6 are 24, 5 6 are 30, 6 6 are 36. Like this way we have to write the table means first we write multiply the value for 6 into 5. 6 5s are 6 5s are means 6 times for 5 table. 6 table 5 times is 30. So 30 ones place value 0. We have to write down. Tens place value we have to next digit upper we have to write 3 remaining value. Next is 6 ones are the value is 6. So 6 plus 3 we have to add means the value is 90. So 15 6 are we get 90. So we write first multiply this two value means get 90 into next value 1. So we write into 1. So 90 into 1. Any number multiple with one table means we get the same number. So 1 into 0 0, 1 into 9 9. So we write 90. 3 values given means we have to write the measurement centimeter. 3 value given means we have to find the centimeter cube. So answer is 90 centimeter cube. Second object name is name board. So the value is length value 20 centimeter, breadth value 90 centimeter, height value 2 centimeter. So we have to find the volume means multiply the three values. So first we write 20 into 90 into 2. So first we have to multiply first two number. So 20 into 90 we have to multiply means 20 into 90. Now multiply the value. First 0 to we have to multiply means any number multiply with 0 means get 0 only. So 0 into 0, 0. Again 0 into 2 get 0. Any number multiply with any number multiply with 0 means get 0. Next we have to multiply with 9. So 9 table we have to write 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18. So 2 times only given. So we write 2 times means first next 0 we have to multiply. Next digit 2 we have to multiply means first digit put plus symbol. 9 into 0. 9 into 0. Any number multiple with 0 means get 0. Next 9 2s are 18. Now add the value 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 8, 1. So 20 into 90 means we get 1800. So we have to multiply two numbers. Next number is 2. So 1800 into 2 we have to multiply. Now multiply the number for 2 table means 2 into 0, 0, 2 into 0, 0. 2 into 8. Now write the table for 2 table. 1 2s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. 6 2s are 12. 7 2s are 14. 8 2s are 16. So 2 8s are 16. So 16 to 6 we write. Carry 1. Now multiply 2 into 1. 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. 2 plus carry value 1 we have to add means 2 plus 1 3. So the answer is 3600. The measurement is centimeter. 3 values given means we have to write centimeter cube. 2 value we have to multiply means we have to write centimeter square or square centimeter we have to write. 3 value we have to multiply means we write centimeter cube. So 3600 is the answer. Third one, the object name is showcase cupboard. So length value is 70 centimeter, breadth value 250 centimeter, height value 70 centimeter. So 3 values given. Now write 70 into 250 into 70. Children, 3 values is given. So this value is 2-digit value, this is 3-digit value, this is 2-digit value. So middle value is given means first in easy way you have to multiply. How to multiply means 2-digit number to 2-digit number we have to multiply. So first we multiply 70 into 70. So we write 70 into 70. So 70 into 70. First we have to multiply 0. 0 with multiply with any number means get 0. Again 0 into 7 get 0. So this term fully finished means first digit put plus symbol. Next 7 table to multiply. 7 into 0, 0. 7 sevens are. Now write the table. 1 sevens are 7. 2 sevens are 14. 3 sevens are 21. 4 sevens are 28. 5 sevens are 35. 6 sevens are 42. 7 sevens are 49. So 7 sevens are 49 is the answer. So we write 49. Add the value 0, 0, 9, 4. So 4900 is the 70 into 70 value 4900. In easy way 70 into 70 means 2 zeros is there. So we write 2 0. 7 sevens are 49. This way also we have to write the value. So 4900. That remaining value, only one value is remaining here. That value is 250. Now multiply the value for 4900 into 250. Now multiply the value 4900 into 250. 0 into 0, 0. Again 0 into 0, 0. 0 into 9, 0. 0 into 4, 0. Any number multiple with 0 means get 0. So first digit put plus symbol. Next we have to multiply for 5 table. So 5 into 0, 0. 5 into 0, 0. 5 nines are. So in multiple term too we have to write the value. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Now check the value one time. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 5s are, the value is 45. So 45 to 5 carry 4. Next 5 4s are 4 times value multiple of 5 value is 1, 2, 3, 4, 20. So 20 plus 4, 24 is the answer. Now add the value 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 5, any number add 0 means we get the same number 5, 4, 2. So the value is 2,45,000. So the answer is 2,45,000. The measurement is centimeter cube. Centimeter cube. So the answer is 2,45,000 centimeter cube. Gift box. So length value is 10 centimeter. Breadth value 10 centimeter. Height value 10 centimeter. So same value is given 3 value. First step we write 10 into 10 into 10. So we have to two number we have to multiply means first 10 into 10. So 10 into 10 means now multiply the value. 0 into 0 get 0. 0 into 1 get 0. So next put plus symbol. 1 into 0. 1 into 0 get 0. 1 ones are 1 ones are 1. Now add the value 0, 0, 1. So 100 is the answer in easy way. 10 into 10. So we write 10 into 10 means how many zeros are there? 1, 2. So put 2 0. Next the number is 1 into 1. So 1 ones are 1. So this way is the short way to we have to find the value. So 100 into next value is 10. So in easy way to again we have to 100 into 10 means this way we have to multiply, or in easy way 100 into 10. In easy way we have to multiply 1, 2, 3. How many zeros are there? 3 0. Next multiply the value 1 into 1, 1. So the answer is 1000 centimeter cube is the answer. Next object is dice. So length value is 1 centimeter, breadth value is 1 centimeter, height value is 1 centimeter. First step we write 1 into 1 into 1. So any number multiple with 1 into 1 get 1 into next value 1. So 1 ones are 1. So 1 centimeter cube is the answer.
Second sum, complete the given table by finding the volume of the given objects. So first object is bricks. Length value 6 centimeter, breadth value 8 centimeter, height value 10 centimeter. We have to find the volume value. So three values given means first we write that value for L into B into H we have to find means we get the volume. This is the formula. So volume means L into B into H is the we have to multiply means we get the volume value. So the given values are 6 into 8 into 10 is equal to, now multiply the value. 6 8s are 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32, 5 8s are 40, 6 8s are 48. So 6 into 8 48 into next value, first two value we multiply means 6 8s are 48 we get into last value 10. So 48 into 10, 0 into any number multiply means get 0. Next we have to multiply 1 into 8 8, 1 into 4 4. So the answer is 480. Volume means we write that measurement is centimeter. So cube centimeter. Answer is cube centimeter or centimeter cube we have to write. Second one, windows fan. Length value is 3 centimeter, breadth value not given, height value 45 centimeter, volume is 900 centimeter cube. So volume value given, length and height value given, breadth value is missing. So how do we have to write means 3 value multiply is equal to volume value. So 3 centimeter we write 3 into breadth value not given, so put B, into height value 45 is equal to, the answer is 900. Next we have to find the breadth value. So breadth only we write left side is equal to right side value 900 divided by this 3 and 45 opposite side we have to write means down divide to write the value. Suppose in case the values are given in add value means opposite side change into subtraction value. The values are multiply, so we have to divide that value for 900 divided by 3 into 45. Now cancel the value for, first we take 3 table. First we take 3 table. So 3 table we have to cancel means 1 3s are 3, 9, 3 table it comes in 3 times, 3 3s are 9, 2 0 we write means 300. So we write that 300 divided by this value is only 1, remaining is this side is 45 is there. So we take again 5 table we take. So 9 5s are 45 and 5 table 36 times. 6 5s are 30, last 0 we can adding 0 means 60 consider. Next take by 3 table, 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6, 0. So the value is upper value is 20 divided by 3. So 20 divided by 3, the measurement is centimeter. This is the breadth value. So breadth value is 20 divided by 3 centimeter. Third one, sunset. Length value 70 centimeter, breadth value 20 centimeter, height value not given, volume 4200 centimeter cube. So we write the value 70 into 20 into height value not given, so put h is equal to 4200. So we have to find the value for h. H we write left side is equal to opposite side 4200 divided by this two value 70 into 20. Now cancel the value for 0. First we have to cancel 1 0 1 0. Next 1 0 1 0. So 2 0 bottom, upper 2 0 we have to cancel. Now take first by 7 table. So 7 table we have to cancel the value. First we write the table for 7 table. 1 7s are 7, 2 7s are 14, 3 7s are 21, 4 7s are 28, 5 7s are 35, 6 7s are 42. So we write that 7 table, 1 7s are 7, 6 7s are 42. Next again take by 2 table, 1 2s are 2, and 6 3 2s are 6. So bottom 1 means there is 1 means no value, so upper value is 3. So height is, the measurement is 3 centimeter. So height value is 3 centimeter is the answer. Fourth sum, steps value, length is 80 centimeter, breadth value not given, height is 20 centimeter, volume is 32,000 centimeter cube. So we write 80, first step 80 into breadth value not given, so put B into height value 20 is equal to volume value is 32,000. So we have to find the breadth value. B is equal to 32,000 divided by 80 into 20. Now cancel the 0, 1 0 1 0, again 1 0 1 0. So first we multiply the 8 table. 1 8s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 3 8s are 24, 4 8s are 32. So this value we have to cancel. First we take by 8 table. Which table we have to take? The table we have to write that right side by 8 table. 1 8s are 8, 4 8s are, so 4 times 32. Adding this 1 0 we have to add means get 40. Next this side take 2 table by 2 table. 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4, adding that 0. So breadth value is equal to, the upper value is 20, bottom value is 1 means no value. So 20 centimeter is the breadth value. Fifth sum, room value, length is not given, breadth is 4 meter, height is 3 meter, volume 36 centimeter cube. So we write first step L into 4 into 3 is equal to 36. So we have to find L is equal to, so L is equal to opposite side 36 divided by this value bottom we write 4 into 3. So 4 into 3, first we take by 4 table. So in 4 tables we have to find that. First write the 4 table. 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 fours are 32, 9 fours are 36. So we cancel the value, 1 fours are 4, 9 fours are 36. Next again take 3 table means 1 threes are 3, 3 threes are 9. So L is equal to, bottom 1 means no value, upper value is 3. So the measurement is meter. So the answer is length is equal to 3 meter. Third question, find the number of bricks of dimension 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 10 centimeter required to construct a wall of dimension 300 centimeter into 200 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Children, in this question, bricks of dimension value, bricks value is given. So bricks value is 20 centimeter, 5 centimeter into 10 centimeter. We have to find this first bricks value means we get the volume of bricks value we get. Next we have to find the wall value. Wall of dimension value is 300 centimeter into 200 centimeter into 20 centimeter. So children, first we have to find the volume of bricks value. Next volume of wall value we have to find means we have to find, next we have to find the needed bricks value we have to find. So children, first we write solution. So first we have to find the volume of bricks value. Volume of bricks is equal to 3 values given here. 20 centimeter into 5 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Children, already we know that 3 value given means how to multiply. First we have to multiply. First easy number 20 into 10 we have to multiply. In easy way 2 zeros are there. How many zeros are there? 2 0. So we write 2 0. The number is remaining 1. This is 2. So 2 ones are 2. So the 20 into 10 means we get 200. Next this value multiply 5. So now multiply 5. 5 into 0 0. 5 into 0 0. 5 2s are 10. So the measurement is centimeter cube. 3 value when we multiply we have to write 1000 centimeter cube is the volume of bricks value. Now we have to find the volume of wall value. So volume of wall is equal to, the values are 300 centimeter into 200 centimeter into 20 centimeter. Children, now multiply the value 300, 200, 20. Now multiply the value for 300 and 20. 300 and 20. So 3-digit number and 2-digit number we have to multiply means 1, 2, 3. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. So we put 3 0. Next the number is 2. This number is 3. So 2 3s are 6. So 6000 we get. The center value is 200. Now multiply the value 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we write 5 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 0. 2 6 are 12. So the value is 12 lakhs. 12 lakhs centimeter cube. Children, we have to find the first volume of bricks value. Next volume of wall value we have to find. Now we have to find the number of bricks value. So we write number of bricks needed is equal to 12 lakhs divided by the bricks value 1000 we have to divide. So now cancel the value 1 0 1 0 we have to cancel. Next to 1 0 1 0 we have to cancel. Next to 1 0 1 0 we have to cancel. Bottom 3 0 and upper also 3 0 we have to cancel means the remaining value is
1200. Bottom one is there means that there is no value. So we have to consider upper value only. So 1200 bricks we needed. Children, in this question, the given value, bricks value is given and the wall value is given. We have to find the number of bricks value we have to find. So first we have to find the bricks value, 3 value we have to multiply with get 1000 centimeter cube. Next wall value, 3 value is given. We have to simplify this value means we get 12 lakh. So this value and this value we have to divide. So number of bricks needed is equal to 12 lakh divided by 1000 means 10 we have to cancel 10. Next 10 10 10 10 30 we have to cancel means upper also 30 we have to cancel means bottom one means no value. We have to consider upper value only. So 1200 bricks we have to needed. This is the answer. Children, fourth question. How many sack of dimension 15 cm into 45 cm into 90 cm filled with rice can be kept in a room of dimension 3 meter into 18 meter into 9 meter. So children, first we have to find the volume of sack value, next volume of room value. Next we have to find the number of sack value we have to find. So first we have to write solution. Volume of, first step, volume of sack is equal to the value 15 centimeter into 45 centimeter into 90 centimeter. Now multiply the value. First we have to multiply 15 into 45. Now multiply the value 15 into 45. 5 5s are 25 to 5. Carry 2. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 7. Next we have to multiply this 2 value means next value multiply means put plus symbol. 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20 0. Carry 2. 4 1s are 4. 4 plus 2 6. So we have to add the value 5. 7 plus 0 gets 7. 6. So 675 into 90. So how many zeros are there? Only 1 0. So put 0. 9 into 5. So 9 5s are 45. Carry 4. 9 7s are 63. 63 plus 4 67. Carry 6. 9 6 are 54. 54 plus 6 60. So the answer is 60,750 centimeter cube is the volume of sack value. Next we have to find volume of room. Volume of room value 3 meter into 18 meter into 9 meter. Now multiply the value 18 into 3. So now multiply the value for 18 into 3. 3 8s are 24 4. Carry 2. 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 6. 3 plus 2 5. So the answer 54 into 9. Now multiply the value 9 4s are 36 6. Carry 3. 9 5s are 45. 45 plus 3 48. So the value is 486 meter cube. So the value is 486 meter cube. Sack value is centimeter cube. This value is meter cube. So we have to change to centimeter means we have to multiply 100. So 3 times we have to multiply means we get 60. So 486 adding 60. So the answer is centimeter cube. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 times we have to multiply means get this value we have to get. So now we have to find the number of sock value. Number of sock is equal to this value divided by 6,750. 1 0 we have to cancel 1 0. Now cancel the value for first 5 table we have to cancel by 5 table. Which table we have to cancel? That table we write 5 table. In 5 table 60, 1 5s are 5, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, again 1 5s are 5, carry 2, 5 5s are 25. Now cancel the value. 9 5s are 45, carry 3, 7 5s are 35, carry 1, 2 5s are 10, remaining 4 0 we write. Next again take by 5 table, 2 5s are 10, this 12 consider 5 table means get 2 5s are 10, carry 2, 4 5s are 20, carry 1, 3 5s are 15. So take next 5 table, both table to cancel the value. 1 5s are 5, carry 4, 9 5s are 45, carry 2, 4 5s are 20, carry 2, 4 5s are 20, adding that 3 0. Next again cancel the value for 3 table by 3 table. 8 3s are 24, 1 3s are 3, 6 3s are 18, carry 1, 4 3s are 12, carry 2, 8 3s are 24, adding 3 0. Take 9 table, 9 9s are 81, 7 9s are 63, carry 1, 2 9s are 18, again adding 3 0. Take again 9 table by 9 table, this value we have to write it 7,200 divided by 9. Now cancel the value again. 1 9s are 9, 8 9s are 72. This value we have to 3 0 we have to add means get 8,000. So the sock value is 8,000 is the sock value.